chill, and relax.
Good morning, Gohan-cha. Hee hee hee. What's up, what's up?
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the FRS. But as you can see, or actually no, the sun's kind of peeking out now. You know what? It rained earlier and then it hailed for like 30 minutes. Luckily it wasn't big hail. And then it started snowing out of nowhere and now the sun is out. So, you know what? It's okay. It looks like the rain's actually drying up. So other than going back to black on the FRS, there is a bigger reason as to why we took off the green wrap in the first place. It's because I planned on wrapping it a different color. And some of you are probably asking yourselves, how can Birdie go more obnoxious? Well, I have a particular color in mind. And please guys, I'd appreciate it if you don't skip this video. Just sit back, relax, put your feet up and enjoy this video for what it is. You'll see the color later. Ooh, the sun's super out now. What the heck? Remember, 3 years ago when I wrapped the car by myself in this garage and this driveway, it took me about 3.5, 4 days. But this time around, I have help at the garage, so maybe we can do it in less. The FRS is gonna be different color soon. Damn, I thought the sun was coming out, man. And it started raining again. So maybe, I don't know. I posted up, I'm gonna get my before shots because it's not gonna look like this for much longer. It looks cool and super Batmobile-ish, but the plan was always to change the wrap color. Let's get the day started.
Relax.
Guaranteed, I can probably dismantle my entire car in less than 10 minutes. I've taken the front bumper and the rear bumper, like all the fender pieces off and on, almost over 100 times. Maybe not the BRZ, but the FRS, I definitely know inside out. I am one with this thing. Just gonna take off all the fender pieces, side skirts, the aero pieces, as well as the front bumper, the rear bumper, and the entire battle aero spoiler can go as well. Just to make it easier for us to wrap the bumper. So just take off as much as I can and we can probably start the wrap in a couple of minutes here. Let's do it. PS, labeled baggies because we want to be as organized as possible. No missing bolts, okay? All right, I've taken off most of the body kit. I just need help taking off the spoiler, and I think Sunny is done, so I can probably bring the FRS inside. Guys, it's starting to hail again, and the Northeast is notorious for having really bad hailstorms, like golf ball size, car damaging hailstorms. You guys want to see the color? It's no secret, like I said. You guys ready? Ta-da! Just kidding, it's in the 3M box behind us. You guys ready for reals? Ta-da! Wait, where is it actually? What the hell? Oh, it's behind it. Behind the 3M box. Ta-da! There it is, guys. This is what we're gonna be wrapping the car with. Woo! Gold. Chrome gold. Isn't that crazy? I'll bring this out and you know what? I'm gonna test wrapping one of my side mirror caps and just try to get myself accustomed to this stuff because apparently chrome is really difficult to work with. Well, actually, I should know firsthand. Me and Shane did his G37 in blue chrome. And yeah, it is really tough to work with, especially if you don't get the right brand. This time around, we went with KPMF. Apparently, it's supposed to be a little more malleable or a little more forgiving. But it being chrome, the more you stretch it, it still gets translucent, so you gotta be careful. And the FRS does have a lot of curvatures, so we'll try it. This is what the test piece looks like. So if you do overstretch it, it discolors so easily.
Oh my God.
Alright, so I ended up doing it in 2 pieces, and I tried to make the cut line right on the edge so you can't even tell. This was just using water and my fingers, no squeegee, because I'm trying to get as little scratches as I possibly can with this. And even when you use a squeegee and felt, you'll definitely see scratches, but with your finger and water, nada. We're gonna quickly put it on the car and see what it looks like. Guys, this is just the first piece, but I have a feeling this is gonna look so sick. Oh. Yo, I think I'm just gonna start, because what I do is I split the FRS into quadrants, and I start from the front, do one side, make my way all the way around to the other front side, and then it is complete. But honestly, when it comes to wrapping, or I guess anything for that matter, it's just a matter of patience and really taking your time. It was easy. I just needed this piece to learn how to use chrome, or a little more proper, because like I said, we have used chrome before on Shane's G37, but that didn't turn out the best. Both mirrors are gold. Go for gold! And Mr. Kritz is helping me put Underglow. Need for speed. The Underglow pass mods.
Very fast. Makes you look very fast. Holy shit, your pitch wheel down here is fun.
Yes, sir, it is. Chill. Oh, so gold. Dude, I want to get this car wrapped and finished before people start seeping in and it gets leaked. Because no one knows that I'm actually turning my car gold. Except for these 3 guys. And myself. While Kritz has the car up, I'll take off everything else, including the side skirts and the diffuser, the front bumper, and Jesse's splitter as well. This thing is like hooked on with 12 bolts or something, but power tool everything.
They have like lights here.
Yeah. Turn on the green.
It's green. Oh. What I mean is, oh shit, this. Oh. Okay, you got me.
Exactly where you put it.
I'm just saying, bro. Like, look at.
Sick, homie. Yeah, it looks good. What the hell, dude?
It's true. Okay, let's take the green.
Yo, Chris, thanks. I mean, it's not complete, but
Like,
you guys get the gist.
You see the preview, right? Okay. Something wrong with the remote, boys?
No.
No,
Defect,
don't.
defect.
And the fire is ain't no place to go.
They asking if I'm lit, I say don't know. Ice clock on my wrist, that's a polo. Or is that your new style? Boy, that's my old float. And you know we ain't tripping over oro.
Alright, finished another piece. This is the front fender for the bumper. Man, I can't wait. And also, I'm not gonna be using this DIY grill anymore. Because Sonny is actually letting me use his V3 grill because he ain't rocking one to show his intercooler. But I feel like this is so much better than this cheap Home Depot chicken wire stuff. This is actually like rubber.
They asking if I'm lit, I say don't know. Ice clock on my wrist, that's a polo. Or is that your new style? Boy, that's my old float. And you know we ain't tripping over oro. Yeah, shout out to the police. If they pull me over, hopefully they take the rollie. Now listen, pay me what you owe me. I can't wait till all of you start acting like you know me. So don't you go act like you know. You know my name will blow up coast to coast. Y'all just keep doing the most. You'll end up plugging for me when I go. When I go from my house to a mansion, I'm having a chance of my life, and hopefully I'll do fine. Who left out the bottles on the floor? The homies. Did you
Let's see what it looks like. And Larry finished this side, except there's a little discoloration right there. We may have to redo this, but so far so good.